Hi friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year, with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There's a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are also going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, youth, sanitation, and various other verticals. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in Vision Year, with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. WizBiz Talks is also to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians, Rotractors on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians and Rotractors who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference in the community. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon, that's a weight loss surgeon, and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And I'll be your host on the WizBiz Talks. Friends, we have a very special guest today. We have a Rotractor with more than a decade of experience in Rotract. A Rotractor from one of the most premier Rotract clubs in the District 3141. Yes, friends, he is none other than DRR Ojas Joshi from Rotract Club of Deonar. He is into classification of education, electronics engineering, and MBA operations. He's risen in his Rotract journey steadily and strongly, from a president in 1516 to a ZRR Zone 4 to a HRD officer, then chairman HRD as a core team member to district Rotract secretary, and now would take over the coveted position from Rotractor Kushal Bua as district Rotract representative for 2021. He's a senior community manager at 91 Springboard. It's a co-working space. He's probably the first district Rotract secretary to become district Rotract representative for 3141. And unique record of leading the movement as secretary and DRR in 2 continuous years. A curious soul who brims with passion to do good for others, loves operations management and human resources management equally. Let me present before you this young, dynamic, diplomatic, sincere, straightforward, proactive, and organized Rotractor, DRR Ojas Joshi.
Hi. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here, and thank you for the warm introduction, Manish uncle.
Hi, Ojas. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very fine, thank you. Ojas, it's such a pleasure to have you with us over here. I know that your year has just begun. I know there is lockdown. You would have planned so many things not going as per what you had planned. But a person like you who's so proactive, a person like you who's so super positive, I'm sure you have made your alternate ways, the plan B, plan C, and plan D to ensure that Rotract 3141 reaches the utmost height in the year 2021. So just here we are starting with our questions right now. Are you ready for it?
Yes, I'm a little nervous because I've never done this before, but yes, I think I'm ready.
So just you don't have to be nervous. This was just my way of scaring you. But you are my celebrity for the day. You are the person who's everyone is looking forward to. You are the person who's the inspirator. You are the person who's the motivator. You are the one who's going to motivate all your Rotractors that come what may, we are going to achieve whatever we want. You are the Rotractor who's going to motivate so many other Rotarians also. Ki, sir, aap aage badho, hum aapke saath hain. And so you cannot be a person who can be scared. As much as I know of you, you are one of the most positive Rotractors I have ever seen. So just now that we have worked together for such a long time, and last 2 years we were very closely bonded, still we are not so much familiar with you as a person and something about your family. Could you tell us something about yourself?
So speaking first of my family, I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. In fact, don't have any village or there's no gaon or a native place also. All origins all lie in Mumbai. And I've resided in Chembur. So I've been residing in Chembur ever since my birth. My parents, my mom's been a clinical nutritionist. Her last stint was with and then she retired. And my dad has been an electrical engineer, and he's always been on site. So most of the times he would be traveling across India on different construction and electrical site setup projects, and has also traveled internationally for the same. So I also have an elder sister who's married, and now she's settled in the United States. So that's a bit of my family background. And I think the engineering perspective definitely comes because a lot of in my family, a lot of them are from a science background. So it's a natural flow where we tend to pursue a science career, at least when it comes to our graduation.
That's great. Good to know so much about you, your family, and your family background too. That's so nice. Ojas, now, the basis of this WizBiz show is vision, Viz for vision, and Biz for business. We want every Rotractor, every Rotarian, not only bond each other as friends, bond each other or do projects on Rotary point of view, also share your expertise of business on this platform, so that I want you in this initial stage of your career to bond with various other people and you do business together. You don't know what kind of opportunity can come your way. So with your talent and with your expertise, you don't know what new door opens for you. Similarly, someone else might want to tie up with you and start up something great. So this is also an opportunity where businesses join and Rotarians and Rotractors join together, bloom together, flourish together, and form a closely knit, strong Rotary family. So tell us something more about your work, your profession.
So my initial so while I've been working, uh, while in the e-learning space, I realized that at some point of time I could be doing this for a few years or a longer period of time, but and I was growing in the Rotaract Club as well, and that's where I think Rotaract helped me to understand that community building, community management is something that is growing within me, and it's something that I'm really interested in. I think the power of networking and the power of getting connected to so many people and being part of something more in terms of not only networking in terms of a trust-based system is something which I felt that this is something where my interest lies, and I would like I would like to pursue it further. And that's where I started taking more initiative in Rotaract in the various projects that we do in the community as well as the other fellowship projects.
Fantastic, and see where it has taken you to. Rotaract District 3141 is one of the finest Rotaract clubs districts in the world, and today, with sheer work, hard work, dedication, perseverance, you are now the DRR, District Rotaract Representative. That is the head of Rotaract for the year 2021 for District 3141. Congratulations and salute to you for your hard work, dedication, and a single-minded, persistent approach. That's fantastic. Ojas, you've done a phenomenal job, and I've heard so much about you that yes, we all in Rotary also looking forward to your year as DRR and your entire Rotaract fraternity doing extremely good in this year. Now coming to the most important part of yours is you have taken up a very important responsibility. You have earned it. So you are the DRR for 2021. Tell us something about your plans, what major projects you wish to do, and what kind of support you want from Rotarians, and what steps are you taking to counter COVID-19, and what would be your one-line final message to all Rotarians? So why am I saying all these questions together? Because you're speaking so well, I don't want you to be interrupted every now and then. You're a lovely orator. I want you to speak at a stretch and tell us all these things.
So, firstly, I would definitely say I think it's the visionary champions here, as we say it in Rotary and Rotaract, because I remember that when I first met Sunil Mehra, who's the district governor for 2021 for our year, and he said that Rotaract and Rotary are just they're just two different names, but at the end the motto or the service is at the end everything is service. So I think that itself sparked in me because I realized that how Rotary is also now ensuring that Rotaractors are involved in everything that we do. And I think the last 6 months have been only a testimony where we've been not only involved in the project, but even in the planning stage, the ideation stage, and also in terms of suggestions and other inputs. So I think it's a great start. It's definitely been a very warm start to this Rotary-Rotaract relation. And I'm sure that all of us together will only enhance it further and take it ahead. In terms of plans, yes, I can say that definitely were slightly different before COVID-19 struck, because there was a focus on community service, but I also wanted to focus on training and development because I felt that at the age of our Rotractors are in the age group of between 18 to 20 to 23, where young professionals either just starting off or completing their graduation. And at that time, I felt that training these Rotractors on various skills, be it leadership development, be it public speaking, through RILAs, doing ensuring that various sorts of community building, team building activities can be done. I think all of this we've majorly focused on in the training period that we say that the before the year begins, we started off as early as January and completed more than 15 training projects. And these projects have been not only for presidents and secretaries, but for general body members, for our council team. And at every step, the idea has been that they get to learn something before even the year begins. The second aspect, of course, community service, but I tend to look at community service slightly differently from a lot of people because I believe that with Rotract and Rotary, the way we do community service, we don't only always have to restrict ourselves to saying that we do it for someone who is lesser privileged or someone who's unfortunate, but we can also serve our own peers, that is our Rotractors and Rotarians, because at the end, everybody needs help in some way or the other. This help may not always be about monetary or this. It could also be facilitating connections. I think the facilitating connections, especially the network that we build with the Rotary, I think we've been also focusing that is the aspect of service also where you connect like-minded people or people who need help with career, because all our Rotarians are distinguished professionals in their respective chosen areas of in their careers, and Rotractors can learn a lot about things which otherwise probably would not happen in so early in their career. And now with the COVID-19 situation, we've definitely steered our focus towards what happens after COVID-19 and what is going to be the aftermath. Because yes, we've ensured that with Rotract going online now, a lot of our work can happen online, and we've only realized that this gives us more time as well as ensures that we can do much more for the community once the unlocking begins and once as a city of Mumbai we are completely unlocked, because all our meetings are now online. A lot of our projects which we think were not possible online have now gotten converted or translated to an online version. So I think there also we're seeing that now we have so much more time to plan on good service projects. One big step I think that this year has been taken is that Rotractors are now involved in Rotary district projects also as equal team members. I think that's something that has never happened before, where we would be involved mainly in the execution stage and the feedback and collection stage. But I think by involving them, we're getting to learn a lot of insights about how Rotary district projects work, how Rotary district projects are impacting the larger community. And I think this is a major shift where this year will probably set that pace, right, where Rotractors will probably now start understanding Rotary more closely, because we only know Rotary from what we've heard or what we've seen. But now that we're part of the process, I think this will take us a step ahead to the ultimate plan of Rotractors eventually becoming Rotarians. I think this will get more Rotractors involved, and I know that maybe a few years down the line we'll have more Rotractors who just want to join Rotary directly and do not want to, wait for that step of Rotract. So I think that will be a great step for us and take us ahead as a movement as well.
Great, Ojas. You speak so well, yeah. It's always a pleasure to keep listening to you. It was like music ringing in my ears. Ojas, now just to, as a testimony that you said, the past 6 months have been a testimony. So yes, Rotary and Rotract value each other more. That is the reason a DRR is on this show today, where apart from you, only Rotarians are there. We want you to be known more. That is the reason today on BizBiz Talks, you are a guest with us. This is one step forward. And I know that many projects, or almost all projects, you are going to be a part of the project, right from the conceptualization to execution. There is Annapurna, where you are going to play an important role. There is Bhagban, where you are going to play an important role. There is tree plantation. There is blood donation. Each and every project that we are going to do, I'm sure you are going to be a part and parcel of every project and not just a helping hand in execution. This is what change that we wanted to bring about, and what you truly said, that yes, Rotractors becoming Rotarians is going to be a good change, because the more we don't want that good hands to leave the Rotary circle after Rotract. We want them to get converted into Rotarians so that the work keeps going on, and we don't want people to bypass Rotaract and come to Rotary also, because that is the foundation stage which they should go through. Understand that the age of 18 years and 19 years, you are doing money management, team management, leadership management. We want them to go through these things so that by the time they come into Rotary, they are, better than any MBAs anywhere. So, Ojas, this has been just brilliant. You have been fantastic in your approach towards your year and also towards how to face COVID-19. Any last message that you would like to give to all the viewers? See, the viewers over here are going to be all Rotarians, all presidents of Rotary Club, all presidents of Rotaract, non-Rotarians and non-Rotaractors, who because of you might also get attracted towards Rotary and Rotaract. So, any final message that you would like to give them?
So one message that I would like to definitely share is that yes, in the situation of lockdown, a lot has been done, and we've received not only Rotary, but so many people have put their hand and foot forward and contributed in various ways, be it Seva Kitchens, be it helping with masks, be it so many things. But what happens once the lockdown is over and once unlocking begins and once everyone resumes? Rotary will continue, Rotaract will continue. And I think this is where I also urge to all the non-Rotarians and non-Rotaractors that the bit where you did your service, that should continue. You should continue doing service, and this you've taken your first step already by helping out in COVID-19. Why not take it further and join Rotary or Rotaract? If you don't want to commit to a full-time membership, you can always be part of our projects, because you'll get to learn so much about how much service is actually being done. And I also want to send out a message to all the Rotarians here, especially the Rotary presidents, that we initially every year as a Rotaract DRR and Rotaract presidents, we take one cause for the year, which is the President's Initiative, where we want to do something at a larger scale and larger impact. This year, it has to be a unanimous choice where we have selected COVID-19 after effects, and we are trying to build up. One is the COVID-19 fund for Rotaract. This is so that we can be of help to college students, school students, any kind of requirement that they would have, maybe smaller in measure, because the kind of funds that would be available at our disposal, but we would like to be at a place where this is available and this is possible. And would also request Rotary clubs who would want to support us with anything related to COVID-19. We are always there, because that's something that has affected so many families across the world, and it's something that we definitely want to focus on for the rest of the year. So all our projects will always have and will always be towards related causes, be it livelihood, be it jobs, be it anything with respect to this.
Fantastic, Ojas. Very clear thoughts, transparent thoughts. You know your way ahead. You have been very focused, and now this approach, what you're saying, is also a very focused approach. It is a community need-based approach that you're going through. So fantastic, Ojas. You have been just fantastic in passing on every thought of yours, and I'm sure that the ones who have viewed you today and listened to you are definitely going to be wanting to work with you in person or through Rotary or through Rotaract, and ensure that Rotary-Rotaract relationship blooms and grows in time to come. Thank you, Ojas, for your presence today. It was a real pleasure to have you on this Zoom meet, and hope that you have a lovely 2021, because your success is also indirectly going to lead to the success of District 3141 and Rotary too. Thank you so much for your presence.
Thank you for having me here. It was a real privilege to be here. Thank you.